This is Brandon Hudgens again, and I'm going to show you a quick advanced configuration that you can do for Executive Challenge on computers that have a lot of memory. So before we downloaded the xchildlocal.zip file and unzipped it on the desktop to show you how to run the server. Now I'm going to show you how to tweak it so that it may run a little bit better and take advantage of more memory. So here's the bin folder containing the run command and stop command. There's a file here called jetty.sh. So when you do run.command, one of the things that it does is it runs this file. This is actually the shell command that actually starts the server. So I'm going to edit this right now. I'm just going to use a text edit app that comes with the Mac to edit it. And so here it is. This is a script file that starts the game. If you scroll down past all of these things that start with the hash mark, the first line that you see here is this Java options equals, and it's got a bunch of options here. All of these options are absolutely fine and are certainly good enough to run one world with lots of games and with lots of teams and lots of players. There's one setting here that you may want to tweak. So if you've got more than 2 gigabytes of memory on your system, right now the system is configured to only use 640 megs of memory, which is certainly appropriate if you've got 1 or 2 gigs. You don't want to maximize your system with this. But if you've got, say, 4 gigs of memory, taking up half that memory is certainly fair game, and probably leaving a gig for kind of the rest of the system and everything else that is going on. There's plenty. So if you've got 4 gigs, you might want to go as high as 3. So you might want to do 3G. So if you put a G next to it, it's gigabytes, and M is megabytes. So 3G there. If you've got 8 gigs of memory on your machine, then you can go even higher. So probably 6 would be huge enough to run a whole bunch of stuff at the same time, memory-wise. This will just make sure that your system isn't going to overrun memory. And so once you've done that, just save this file. And then when you do run.command again, it will be running with the higher maximum memory, and you can use up more of the system memory.